What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be showing you the best free Instagram analytics tool out there to help you track your Instagram stats and other people's stats. First of all, I just want to say that I've got a really sore throat, so if my voice sounds funny, I apologise, and that's why I've got the scarf on, trying to keep warm, all of that. So the best free Instagram analytics tool, in my opinion, is Ninjalytics.com. This is basically just like Social Blade, which was a tool that I used to use a lot to track my daily growth on Instagram, but with the API changes, Social Blade is no longer working as we want it to. And according to Ninjalytics, they're actually powered with Instagram's official API. So it's a free, useful, legal tool. So I'm going to show you now on my computer, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so here I'm on Ninjalytics.com, and basically you can see it's pretty straightforward. You can log in with your own account on Facebook, but you don't even have to do that. You don't even need an account. So I'm just going to show you real quick. If I was to type in my own username, Alec Wilcock, it analyzes the profile real quick, and you can do this with any account, and then it will go and fetch the data for that account. Now, the first thing you're going to see is all the basic stats that you get on your account. So the followers following a post, you already have that on your own account. Then you can get already the average likes, the average comments, and the average views, and then the engagement rate, which is something that's really important for a lot of Instagram accounts. I don't know how this is all going to change once Instagram removes the likes on Instagram, but I guess we'll find out. For now, it still currently works. I don't know if tools with the API will still be able to access this data. Now, you may be wondering how the engagement rate is calculated, and it's actually pretty clever. If you click on this here, it says it's the average of likes and comments on the latest 12 posts, excluding the most recent one, which is clever because that could have only just been posted, and you can like have a look at the details here. But what I'm going to do actually to show you some cooler and better stats is go onto one of my different accounts that has more stats and more followers. So here we can see the basic stats, and then something I like is you get the graph for the follower growth. Now you can set a custom time frame, for an example from the past 7 days, the past month, 3 months, and then max, and they try and go back as far as they possibly can. You can also do the custom one with the dates here. If you go down even more, you get the daily growth and the daily changes and of the variations in the followers and the following. So for an example, with this account, I've never actually followed anyone, so there's no change in that. But then the followers variation, you can see here, there are big differences. Sometimes there are discrepancies, but this is often when Ninjalytics, for an example, is making an update to its website. And again, you can set custom timeframes here, so I could look at the whole month of November, and there we have it. Okay, now if I go down even more, I really like this. You get weekly and monthly stats in the written format, so this is really useful to quickly find out how much an account has grown in the past week, the past month, etc. And then you also get the average daily growth in the last week. For example, I've grown roughly 236 followers every single day with this account. Something I love even more is if we scroll down here, we get the analysis for the 12 most recent posts, and that's the likes and the comments. So here you can see, for example, I've got 42, 64, 52, 22, 14, 16. And then if I hit the likes, we can then see that here. For an example, here's the number of likes on the 12 most recent posts. And then you can have only the likes, only the comments. Also, something I love is you can download this graph and choose PNG, JPEG, and this is really cool if you're just trying to download it and like put it in a PDF file, or if you're creating stats, for an example, for a client's account. If you have clients on Instagram that you manage their accounts for, you can then have these stats, create a like PDF for them, and then show them what their latest stats are, which is pretty cool. A lot of people don't know about this tool, especially when you're working with businesses. And then here, an amazing tool I think is the hashtags. So basically, this gives you the list of the 30 most used hashtags on their most recent 12 posts. Now, this does only include the hashtags that are in the caption and not in the comments, but this is a really powerful tool because you can use this tool and go and look at any Instagram account. For example, for the page My Bedroom Goals, you can see the hashtag bedroom goals is the most used hashtag. It's been used 18 times in the last 12 posts. And then you've got interior, which has only been used 3 times in the last 12 posts. And this also just goes to show that I don't copy and paste the same hashtags every single time. If it was 30 hashtags and they were all like used 12 each, that would mean that I've just used them once every single time on the 12 last posts. So with this tool, you can kind of see if someone does hashtag research. Now, if we scroll down even more here, we get the detailed Ninja analysis. And this is basically a simple table, which is just like on Social Blade, where it shows you day by day how many followers you've got every single day, the amount of new posts. And as you can see, recently on this account, I have not been posting at all. It's been terrible. but I've been super busy and I don't like getting other people to manage my accounts. But I always think this is really cool. You can also see here if people are doing follow, unfollow, and as you can see, I'm not, because I'm not following anyone. I haven't for ages on this account. And then you can just see the daily growth from the past 100 days apparently, which is crazy. And as you can see here, this was a day when like Instagram removed a load of fake accounts. And then again, you get these stats for the last 12 posts. If you click on a post, you can then just see it in big. You can right click and save image if you're trying to, like, if you're a theme page just reposting content, and you can see the stats beneath each post, which is just pretty cool and interesting. So that is Ninjalytics. Now I just think it's a really cool tool. I'm just going to show you real quick. For an example, if I go onto a different account, it can be useful to look at other people's accounts as well, or like competition, things like that, see how they're doing. And then for an example, this is one of my other accounts which has been using botting, and you can tell because the followers going down, and then all of a sudden it goes up. That's because I've just been using mass polling, and it's basically just a really useful tool. If you're like a social media agency, they also have Ninjalytics Business, which is like a paid version, and you can basically just create custom reports for like clients and things like that. But that is basically Ninjalytics. But I want to know, do you use Ninjalytics? Have you used it before? Have you never heard of it before? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now I just want to say thanks for watching. I'm probably not going to make a video for a while because my throat is sore and I've been coughing throughout this entire video. You probably haven't seen because I've edited them all out. But yeah, I really appreciate all the support. I've recently made a Facebook group where I share a lot of tips, updates and tricks and everything, a lot of the stuff that I don't actually share on YouTube. So don't hesitate to join that. I'm going to put it in the description below. God, I'm crying because I keep on coughing. And yeah, guys, just again, thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Peace out.